The sports meeting applications have ethical implications, which are privacy. The application may collect personal data from users, such as their name, email address, and location, which may raise concerns about privacy. We as app developers will ensure that the data collected is kept safe and secure, and that users are informed about the data is being collected and how it will be used based on the laws of Colombia and international laws.
So, regarding fairness and bias of the application may have features that give certain users an unfair advantage over others. For example, if the app allows users to track the movements of other players, it might be used to gain an unfair advantage in the game or sport or activity they are playing. And regarding the bias, the application may have built-in biases that unfairly favor certain groups or individuals. For example, if the app only recognizes certain types of sports or certain types of disadvantages of certain types of equipment, it may unfairly disadvantage users who participate in different sports or use different equipment.
Can have various societal and environmental impacts, some of which
Ahora sí
are
nos
increased
podemos.
physical activity. A sports meeting app can encourage people to participate in physical activity by providing an easy and convenient way to join sports events. This can have a positive impact on public health and well-being. Community building. This app can help build communities of sports enthusiasts who share a common interest and can facilitate social connections and interaction among them. This can lead to increased social cohesion and sense of belonging. Environmental impact. A sports meeting app that promotes outdoor sport activities can have a positive impact on the environment by encouraging people to spend time outside and appreciate nature. However, if the app leads to increased use of cars or other modes of transportation, it can have a negative impact on the environment.
Our app also can have an economic impact, a positive economic impact by promoting local sports events and business, such as sports equipment stores and restaurants. However, it can also have negative economic impact if it displaces existing business of it, it leads to increased cost of the users. It also have an effect in accessibility. It can help make sports events more accessible to people who may face barriers to participation, such as disabilities or people living in rural areas. However, it may also create a new barrier, like is to have a smartphone or connection to internet. Overall, the social environment impact of all sports meeting app depends on how it is designed and used. Our as developers of the meeting app sports should strive to create apps that promote physical activity, build communities, and have positive impact on the environment, while minimizing any negative impacts.
Our sports meeting app as a product can have various ethical implications, some of which are addiction. The app may be designed in a way that encourages addiction or excessive use. We must be careful to design the app in a way that promotes healthy use and discourages overuse. Also, accuracy. The app may provide inaccurate or misleading information, such as incorrect scores or statistics. We must ensure that the app is accurate and reliable. And in discrimination, the app may discriminate against certain groups of people based on their gender, race, ethnicity, or other factors. We must ensure that the app is inclusive and does not discriminate against any group.
Our app will ensure that the app is marketed in a responsible and ethical manner, and the claim or representation made about the app are accurate and not misleading. Overall, as the developers of the application, we are aware of those ethical implications and we will work to address them to ensure that their app is fair, unbiased, and promotes healthy use. Our app will be designed and marketed in a responsible and ethical manner and should strive to be inclusive and non-discriminatory.